Hey traders, if you've been wondering how you can start trading using trend lines, I believe this is going to be an eye-opener. It's going to change the way you see trend lines. I know many people have so many misconceptions about trend lines, but I'm here to simplify it to you today, and you're going to be amazed at how trend lines is going to be much easier after you watch this video. Remember to give a video a like, subscribe, and also comment down below with your questions. Let me show you how I trade trend lines. So we are going to look at how to trade trend lines in the best way possible, and I believe this is going to be very helpful. So let's dive right into it. You know, many people have taught you guys on YouTube and online, and even myself, I've learned this from the beginning when I was still struggling finding a strategy that can be helpful to me. I was looking at trend lines in this way. They will teach you need to find a place where the trend is touched once, twice, or 3 times, right? Something like this. Then you stretch it forward, and then when the market breaks out of there, you take a trade here, and then you stop loss there, and then you take profit for 1 to 2, something like that, right? This is the way I was taught to trade trend lines, and this is the way many people teach you how to trade trend lines. But today I want to teach you how you can trade trend lines in a better way that is going to allow you to be able to get better entries in the market. So to trade trend lines, this strategy is going to be very helpful. Let me show you how you do it. What you do, for example, let's see the market is in this area here. It's going down, right? When the market has made like 2 touches like that, you can join those 2 touches, something like this. Don't trade this breakout that is happening here. Avoid that breakout. Wait for the next trading scenario, right? So once you have this breakout here, now you are going to be looking for a selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity. Instead of doing this and trying to buy into this trend that is going to develop to go up, you want to get ready to trade the reversal. That's what I want you guys to learn in this video right here. I want you to just wait until you see a major spike to the downside after this breakout, right? You can get 2 lines like this. You get this trend line, draw it on the first point of the retest after the breakout. For example, if there is a breakout, the first higher low that is created is your first point which you're going to touch. Draw your trend line on, and then you're going to project this trend line to get the first touch right here, and then you're going to get the second touch here, and then you're going to move this forward, something like this. This is how you trade this trend line, and I want you to see this clearly in this video. It's going to be very beneficial for you. Right, before we go forward with the video, I would like to introduce to you guys God Funded Trader. It's a platform that I am trading with at the moment, and you guys have seen the updates I've been giving you with this platform right here. Guys, this platform is amazing. It's giving you very good and affordable challenge accounts at very low fees. You can see right now they have a limited time offer of the BOGO plus 40 off. With the code BOGO40, you can get a discount off your next challenge. If you're a new customer, you can get a discount of 50% off for all your accounts that you choose to buy. Right now they have a 2-step challenge which is going for only $287 roughly 290 for a 100k account. As you can see right here, this is the cheapest in the industry. I believe you guys will be amazed when you get yourself an account with God Funded Trader. Using the link that is in the description of this video, you will be able to get yourself funded with God Funded Trader. Make sure you're using the link in the description of the video so that you can get yourself this account. Get started today with God Funded Trader using the link in the description, and I'll see you guys on board. I'll see you on the other side. So after you've drawn it like this, right? Many people will say when you see a breakout like this, you trade that breakout. You don't trade that breakout. You never trade this breakout right here, right? Because you've seen that this market has created a breakout here, and then many people are buying. Then when you see this breakout here for a sell, you shouldn't be selling here, okay? Don't sell here. What you're going to do is you are going to wait for the market to come back up above this trend line right here. Once you see the market creating that candle that breaks above this trend line and closes above this trend line, you're now going to wait for this low here to be created. Once that candle closes above the trend line, this becomes a low. Now what you're going to do is you're going to move and mark that low and mark again the next low which would be that one there. After that break above the trend line, market comes back to the trend line and creates another low. So when the market goes up, you mark that as the second touch of the trend line, and then you move it forward like this, project it forward. Now that is your entry point. That will be the best way to trade trend lines. Now you enter once you get a breakout of this trend, okay, that new trend line you've entered like that, and then now you can use the most recent highs as your stop loss area, and then you target the previous low, this one here, which the trend line created. This one here, that is the low you are going to target at the bottom like this, okay. That is going to be your target. So you move your take profit down there because you expect the market to come and clear liquidity below that low, okay. So that is how you trade this trend line strategy. It is very easy to follow. You can just actually find so many setups in this fashion. Don't hurry to trade a breakout once you see it happening, okay. Make sure you follow this example and you'll be successful in your trading. Let's look at just one more example, then I show you something else that I am developing for you guys, which is going to be very beneficial for you guys, right? Let's draw a line right here. From here we have a trend. We'll join it to this one, and then we're going to move it down. The first touch, second touch, move it down. Make sure there are at least 2 touches. Move this trend line down, okay. Let's really move it down so that we have a breakout point clear. We had a breakout right here. We also had breakouts around this area here, but the general breakout was this one here, the first one, okay. So we are going to consider that one as we are trading this strategy. So after that breakout, don't start buying from there. Don't put your buy trades here like this and use this as a stop loss because you think the market is going to continue up. No, don't do that. Wait for the most recent spike to the downside after the most recent higher low is created. So the most recent higher low after this breakout is created is this one here at the bottom. This one, the most recent higher low, okay. Now that higher low is what is going to create your trend line. So you're going to join that low to the next low which is created, a low that is created after this one. Which one is that low? It is going to be this low right here, okay. So you're going to join this and that low, and then stretch this forward. Just stretch this forward because you're seeing here, this is the first low right here, and then this is the next low right here. Join those two and then you project forward, right? Now when you've projected forward like that, what you're waiting for is a breakout, a massive breakout of this line here, okay. A massive breakout of this line after the market has created the next high. So this is the high that the market creates, right? So now you're going to wait for the market to come down and create a low and go back up, okay, and then create a break of this line, right? So we are going to wait for, after this high has been created, the next breakout is what we're going to trade. I hope you guys are following this, right? Now these other lows here are not really strong lows, right? Because here we have the first low, second low, and then we are expecting the market to create a high. This is the high, and then we're going to wait for the market to create one major low, which is this one here, this area here, and this one. It's the same low, right? After that major low has been created, we want to wait for the market to create the next high here up above this line, and then the next break below that line is where we're going to look for our entries, right? So let me show you how we can enter that. So we can enter that once the market breaks below. You can enter at that breakout like that, then you use that high as your stop loss here. It is similar to the previous example. And then now, because the previous low that created the trend is above the entry point, what you can do is that you can just target a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, something like this, and you would get this trade right here. Let's do just one more example so that you guys can fully understand what I am doing here, so that you can be up to speed. I want you guys to understand this strategy properly, because if you don't understand it and you try to trade it, you might get confused, right? So let's draw. Just here we can see the market is going down, so we can have this as the first touch, second touch, project forward, something like this, right? So here we see that this is a trend line breakout. So instead of you buying here, don't buy there, because if you buy there you might get stopped out even if the market is going up, you can see, right? So what you do after this breakout, wait for the most recent higher low, which is this one here. This one is the most recent higher low, as you can see, right? And then draw a trend line once there is a next low that has been created. So which one is the next low that is created? This is the next significant low that is created. So we are going to join those two lows, join this low and project further down like this. When there is a spike below this trend line, wait for the next high to be created after this next low has been created. This low does not create a high that is above this trend line, so you don't consider that. You consider this low here, because it creates after this low, the market goes up. As you can see, market goes up and then creates a high. After that high is created, if you see a break below again that red line, which is the trend line, then you can get an entry right here after that candle closes. Then you can use that high now as your stop loss, and then you can target a 1 to 2. I hope this is clear enough for you guys. If you've not understood this, just comment down below. I'll come back with another video to explain this in a longer version of a video. If you stuck around the video till now, I'm going to show you guys a tool that you can use to draw your trend lines automatically. This tool can be helpful as your technical analysis tool. It's not yet available. It's still under development and I'm still testing it, but I'm going to make it available for you guys on TradingView very, very soon, as long as I find a way of allowing you guys to access it. So here you can see the tool in action. You can see right here, okay? So this tool, so far, when you look at this dashboard to the top right corner here, you see that it gives entry signals, a stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, and it also shows you how many signals so far we have got for this month. So you can see, so far we have 24 signals for this month. That is on the 5-minute chart, by the way. And of those 24, 9 of them have reached take profit 2, 3 of them have reached break even, and 12 have reached stop loss. So you can see that we are up so far 6R this month using just this tool. You can see this tool draws the trend lines automatically. You can see when it draws a sell trend line, there's a sell there. When it draws, you can see it draws a buy trend line, it draws a buy trend line, a sell trend line. You can see it. We get some losses, we get some profits. We get some losses, we get some profits. But the accuracy of this tool is more than 70%. You can see it draws trend lines and gives you entry points right here, right? You can see how this tool actually works. Gives you a buy right here after breakout of this buy trend line, and then the market goes up. It gives you a sell here, and you can see the market dropped here, right? So this tool will be available on TradingView very, very soon. I just wanted to give you guys an update because there are some of you guys who are always inboxing me asking me for these tools on TradingView, but I am still having some issues being a vendor on TradingView. So once I have got my vendor account approved, I'll be able to give you guys these tools on TradingView for you to be able to use. All right guys, so thank you for watching. Until next time, peace and out.